Language focus, confidence, conviction, courage, sportsmanship. Muhammad Ali, the champion who risked it all for his beliefs. Muhammad Ali didn't just want to be a boxer. He wanted to be the greatest of all time, and he said so loudly long before anyone believed him. His brash confidence made him a spectacle in the ring. Fast hands, faster feet, and a mouth that predicted victory in rhyme. By the mid-1960s, he had backed up every boast, becoming heavyweight champion of the world. Then, at the peak of his career, Ali made a choice that had nothing to do with boxing. He refused to be drafted into the Vietnam War, citing his religious beliefs and his objection to a war he felt was unjust. It cost him everything. His title was stripped, his boxing license revoked, and he faced the real possibility of prison. Before we get to how he fought his way back, if you're enjoying stories about people who stood by their beliefs no matter the cost, hit subscribe. It really helps this channel keep telling them. Ali's conviction never wavered, even when the whole country seemed to be against him. He spent 3 years banned from the sport in his athletic prime, a sacrifice most champions would never accept. When he was finally allowed to return to boxing, he didn't just reclaim his title. He became a global symbol of standing firm under pressure. His courage outside the ring proved just as legendary as his skill inside it. And even his fiercest rivals came to respect his sportsmanship and the principle behind his stand. Ali once said he wasn't the greatest because he won fights, but because he never stopped being who he said he was. Vocabulary and context. Confidence, a feeling of self-assurance in one's own abilities, conviction, a firmly held belief or opinion, courage, the ability to act despite fear or danger, sportsmanship, fair and generous behavior, especially in competition,